Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to test any software without worrying of viruses, malwares and spywares in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So before proceeding, check one thing by going to the task manager. So just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape and just click on this performance. And under this CPU option, you can see here one option, personalization. In my case, it's being enabled. So firstly, check this whether this personalization option is enabled or not on your respective Windows computer. So if it is not enabled, if it is showing disabled, then you need to go to the BIOS settings and you need to enable this personalization firstly to proceed with this video tutorial. So I'm not going to show you how to turn on or enable the personalization, so you can search in the Google itself for how to turn on the personalization on the respective Windows computer. So after turning on this personalizations or enabling these personalizations, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start, and in the search bar just search for turn Windows features on or off. Just search this name or option, turn Windows features on and off. So you can see here turn Windows features on and off, so which is available in the control panel, but I will be highly recommending you to directly search it so that you can quickly access it. So once you see it in the option turn Windows features on and off, just click on it. So now you can see the Windows features. So here are tons of options, right? So just scroll down below and you can see here one option, Windows Sandbox. But remember this Windows Sandbox option or folder may not be available on every version of Windows operating system that you are using. So if you're using a Pro and Enterprise version, then only you will be able to get this Windows Sandbox option. Otherwise, if you're using a Home Edition version, then you may not see this Windows Sandbox under the Windows features options. So if you have a Pro and Enterprise, then only you will gonna get this folder name as Windows Sandbox. So if you have a Pro and Enterprise, then you can proceed with this tutorial videos. So after finding this Windows Sandbox, you can tick mark this and you can click on OK. But before clicking on OK, kindly connect your respective Windows computer with the internet, because it will going to be requiring a internet connection to download some requirement files. So now click on OK. Now it will start searching for the requirement files. You can see applying changes. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation of this required files is done. So finally every requirement files has been installed successfully. Now you can see here it's asking to reboot your PC to finish the installation required changes. So we need to click on restart now. So we'll click on restart, and after restarting we'll check it whether this feature is enabled or not. So let us click on restart now. So finally we have restarted our computer. So now just move your mouse cursor again in the start menu and just click on it, and in the search bar just search for Windows Sandbox. So finally you can see the Windows Sandbox option has been enabled. So just click on it. Now it's being starting, so have patience, wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see your virtual screen. So it looks an exact copy or the duplicate second screen of your original screen, right? So it's almost like a virtual screen, right? So but still you can use the applications to try the applications that you want to try in your respective Windows computer without needing to worry about the virus, malware or spyware. So let us open or try to download any applications. So let me maximize this. So let me search one application named as 7-Zip. So I will visit to its official website. Say I will download this application. let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close this web browser, and let me minimize this Sandbox again. So now this is the application, right? So let me try to install this. So finally I have installed it. So let me go to and search for 7-zip. So finally this is the application which I have installed a few minutes ago. So finally you can see I can use the application as exactly like the real applications which we're gonna use in the real desktop, right? So this application which I have installed in this Sandbox, that is the Personalization, this application will not gonna be installed directly on my real hard disk. So it's only getting installed in this Sandbox. So even after installing any applications under this Sandbox, I won't find this application on my real desktop. So let me show you. Let me search same application name as 7-zip. So you can see here I don't have any application installed in 7-zip. So by using this Sandbox, we can test any software without worrying of viruses, malwares and spywares in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this hidden features available in the Windows Pro and Enterprise portion of a Windows operating system, then you should definitely give it a try. If you're in a need to test any software which you might doubt having a virus, malwares or spywares in your Windows computer, then definitely you should give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.